I'm in Iceland right now. I just love the way how they are presented here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya. I am a travel blogger and this vlog is all about my Iceland series, and I am in Iceland since yesterday, and today in this vlog I am going to cover about how to shop and what to shop when you are hiring a camper van. So I am at this supermarket in it's called Kronos and in Reykjavik. So I just picked up my camper van and I'm going to shop some essentials. So let's go inside and shop. So guys, I'm first going to start with the fruits. I'm going to pick up some basic fruits here which do not get spoiled without the fridge, and otherwise also it's quite cold here, so don't worry about it. But I'm going to pick up some easy eat edible fruits because I'll not have energy to, like something like a pomegranate, something where you have to put a lot of effort. So guys, if you want to buy fruits, this is the price: 216 kronos, 93 kronos. Look at the size of these oranges, they're so big. So I'm going to pick up some grapes and some berries because I love berries in Europe. They're really fresh. So I'll just show you the berries here. So look at these blueberries. I really like these. These are blackberries. So I'm going to pick up one of this. I'm going to pick up some strawberries from here. So these are for the quick snacking. So next is I want to pick up some veggies which I can cook like really fast. So spinach, palak is like my favorite. So here you have lot of greens option. You can actually pick any of these greens and make salads or sandwich. So this is the baby spinach. So this I'm going to pick it up. So this is 429 kronos. Coriander and the mint leaves also. Next is the onion. So onion is the must. I'm going to pick up some eggs and make omelette. So I'm picking up this red onion. So red onion is 199 kronos. And also for palak, I need garlic. So I'll pick up like this garlic. The pack of garlic. If you do not want to make your own sandwich, there's also a ready-made option. So they also have a shelf life of 2 days. And some have even more shelf life. So I'm going to pick up few sandwiches. So these are like really good. These are very filling and super healthy. Specifically, some are mentioned as chicken and egg. So this is pretty safe. I'm not religious to not enough beef, but then I don't have a taste for beef. So we have to read out everything what's mentioned there to get an idea like what's inside. Here I'm standing at the pizza section. Like the varieties of pizzas is so good. But I'm not buying now because it's the first day. I don't want to overbuy anything. So because I can even shop on the go. So this pizza is like 829 kronos. So and you have different, like it starts from 829 and it goes up to 2000 kronos. I just love the way how they're presented here. So this is all this ready-made frozen stuff. You can actually heat it up and you can have them in your sandwiches or in your salads. And this is the raw chicken, of course, if you don't want to cook. So I'm actually searching for eggs here. I'm definitely not going to cook any chicken because it will take a lot of time to cook in a camper van. You have different cold cuts here and meat. So this is like a completely grilled, ready to eat vegetables. You just need to put it in a microwave. And yeah, the sweet corn. So not sure this is a cooked one, but I'll have to just check with the reception. So guys, you also have these pre-cooked potatoes and sweet corn. So you just have to put them on the grill and they're ready to eat. So it saves the cooking time. So it also has potatoes with different spices. I'm going to pick up a couple of smoothies. So I'm assuming that they can be stored in room temperature because they're not in the refrigerator. So this pineapple banana smoothie, this is 290 kronos. So they have different varieties here. So this is strawberry, banana, guava. So I'll buy one of each or maybe two, and I'll see if I love the taste. I'm going to buy in the next supermarket. I think I'm going to buy ginger because I want to make chai. But this ginger is so big, so I think I'm going to take one of this ginger. The brinjals are like 166 kronos. Look at this. These are Brussels sprouts. This is 498 kronos. So I'm not sure I'm going to buy these, but yeah, the spring onions are there. So I'm getting quite confused what to buy. Look at the varieties of tomatoes there. Obviously, these are per kg, so they look super fresh. Let's look at the size of these tomatoes. It's so good. And then they also have different varieties of baby tomatoes in these boxes. This is like 399 kronos per kg. So this one. I found the mangoes. I'm definitely going to buy these, and you know how much I love mangoes. So the mango is like 319 kronos. So these are these instant oats with apple, blueberry, and you just need to put a hot water. So it's like 110 kronos. So they have different varieties. So they also have this one with just original oats, and these are with flavors. So I think I'm gonna pick up one with blueberry. So guys, yeah, I found bananas, and bananas are my lifesaver. You can eat them any time of the day. So I'm gonna pick up one. And though they look raw, but I think they're gonna stay in my camper van for some days, so they'll become ripe in few days. So these are some ready-made mixes, and then these are some ready-made waffles, so you can just directly eat them. And these are ready-made pancake mixtures, 299 kronos. So these are cheese crackers. I'm going to add few of them because I really need them. So this is like 129. So these are really good when you're driving for munching. So these are also like rice crackers. So there's this entire section has these amazing pastries, and these are ready-made pastries. Look at this. These are called vanillas, and they have this filling inside the cream. These are around 329 kronos. They have a huge variety here. These are like, they look like cinnamon rolls. And they have chocolate caramel. Look at the variety they have. They look so yum. I think I'm going to pick up one of this. They have cupcakes. So this 429 is mini muffins. I'm going to pick up one muffin, and if I really like it, maybe in the next supermarket I'll buy it. In case you forgot to buy your protein powder, whoever are like gym enthusiastic, so there are different kinds of protein powders are available here. And there is also something called protein pancake mix, and this is a Norwegian whey protein. So they have like a different variety. So the cost of this is like 3,199 euros. This is amino energy. So you have like everything that you need for your gym, for your fitness. So basically these are the oats that they are there. You can eat them on the go. So this is very, very cool. So I'm gonna pick up one to taste it. I will pick up raspberry and blueberry thing. So this is like a really on the go breakfast. And you have a prebiotic, and you have like a different varieties over here. Just look at this. It has completely multivitamin section. I just really like it. So it has this multivitamin tablets, and it has this omega-3 fatty acid tablets. Oh my god, like this is so cool. It has all the herbal also for your sore throat. So this is magnesium, vitamin D3. So all your supplements are taken care of here. So there's the next is the coffee section. So you have this huge varieties of coffee. You even have Starbucks, pre-packed Starbucks coffee here. This is, let's look at it. So these are Starbucks is there. You have different varieties, but I'm not going to invest anything expensive because I don't have a coffee machine to make. But I am searching for something like a dip tea. So which let me just see if I can find them. So yeah, you have different varieties of French roast and they also have this Nescafe Gold. I think if they have a smaller one, I'll buy it because this is too big for just one person. So we found our Indian yogi tea. It's like a relaxed tea. I just see the price. The price is like 598 kronos. So yeah, I have arrived at the dip tea section. So there is a ginger lemon, ginger green tea. I'm searching for a masala tea. This will be like the Indian flavor. So I was actually looking for Jeera Rai, which is like our Indian spices. So I actually found one which exactly looks like this. I think it looks like Jeera only. So I need this, and also I need mustard to make my Indian curries. So let me see if I can find them. So this is 539 kronos. So these are chili flakes. I'm searching for a chili powder. Okay, so I found turmeric, so it's called turmeric. Okay, next thing I think I should invest good money in these ready-made instant noodles, because some days I will not have energy to make a full meal or something. So I'm picking up these curry noodles, and also this is beef, but I'm going to find for something chicken. So this is instant noodles. So these are actually very good. You can just put hot water and you can eat on the way. So just look at these varieties of flavors that you have. You even have this Thai instant noodles, Thai flavor. And these are pretty cheap. It's 189 kronos. Whereas if you really want to make rice, and if you're staying in an Airbnb and you really want to cook rice, so this is the cost of the rice. It's 469 kronos. So they have jasmine rice, parboiled rice, and I've also seen basmati rice. So I'm not sure I am going to cook them because it is a very long process. So I'm not going to buy today, but in case, like, it depends on how comfortable I am with the camper, then I'll come and pick up this rice from a different supermarket. And also you have different oils here. So I'm thinking that I should just buy butter instead of oil, because this oil is like too big. If I'll be able to finish this oil. So these are flavored oils. This is the normal sunflower oil, but this itself is like too big for a 7-day trip. So I'm actually a little confused, and I'll see if I can find any butter. Then I'll buy butter, then oil. So guys, these are all the dish cleaning stuff that you should buy. So especially, you also don't forget to buy the garbage bag. So you need to dispose the garbage. I'm going to buy the smaller ones, and I'm going to pick this one. So guys, this is the shopping that I've made in Kronos, and I'm really sure that I'm going to regret on few decisions and I'm going to be happy on few decisions. There's only one way to find out to follow my series. So I put everything in my camper van and I'm going to go to my destination now. So stay tuned for it, and in case if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next series. Bye bye. A natural swimming pool. It's called the Glacier Plunge. Just look at this cave. I'll just go inside. Wow, this is so cool. And does it echo?